In this video, I'll summarize 7th grade lesson 5.3 from Open Up. So today we have a big goal. I understand how to add positive and negative numbers in general. First thing that you need to work with is opposites. The opposite of a number is the same distance from 0, but on the other side of 0. You can see pictured here, -9 and +9 are opposites. Could you, on your own, try to find the opposite of these 4 examples? I hope you answered -5, 8, -1/3, and +6. What is the sum of a number and its opposite? You can see here below 9 plus -9. Whenever we add opposites, we always get 0. We'll take a look at these diagrams below and see if you can explain how to add two numbers that have the same sign. For the same sign, they're either both positive or both negative. All right, when we're trying to add numbers with the same signs, we can add their magnitudes because they're pointing in the same direction, and then you can give the answer the same sign. So a couple examples, if we have +4 plus +3 shown on the green diagram, we get +7, they're both going in the same direction. We get -5 plus -4, we get -9. You can just add 5 plus 4, but keep your answer negative. All right, look at the diagram here and see if you can figure out a method that you would use to add two numbers with different signs. All right, we've got an idea here that we can use. We can always subtract their magnitudes because when they have different signs, they're pulling in opposite directions. But your answer, you're going to give it the sign of the number that has the larger magnitude because it's been pulled further in that direction. So for example, this diagram that I show you is -5 plus 12, that equals 7. Note, you can just do 12 minus 5 and keep it a positive number because 12 has a bigger magnitude than -5. Second example I didn't show a picture of, but if you were solving -10 plus 1, that would be -9. Because you could subtract 10 minus 1 because they're pulling in opposite directions, but keep your answer negative because 10 has a bigger magnitude. All right, check out all we learned today. I think you should write these 3 things in your notes because they come up over and over again. When you're adding two numbers with the same sign, you're going to add their magnitudes and keep the same sign. If you're adding numbers with different signs, you subtract, but use the sign of the number that has the larger magnitude. And lastly, whenever you add a number to its opposite, the sum is always 0, and a fancy name for opposites is additive inverses. All right, thanks for listening. I'll see you in class.